Santa might be listening.
She doesn't know how to sing it. I'll sing it. Rudolph, an ugly reindeer, had black on his nose, and when he stunk, you see his sticks all the time.
Well, nose reindeer have a very shiny nose. There's like poor Rudolph. Join in the reindeer games. And one Friday Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
That's
Rudolph, wish you know so bright. Aren't you drive my sleigh tonight? On the reindeer water, and here's story.
yippee! Come here.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer on Stinky Day.
Ready? Listen. Listen, ready? Can you sing it?
Not cry. Not cry.
Look. Do it. Hey. Turn around and sing. I'm turning it off. You sing it? Guys, why do you do only this stuff in front of me? It's so not fair. She shakes her head real fast. She just, Santa Claus is coming to town. You better not cry.
Oh, she doesn't know that song? She doesn't know how to sing that one?
No.
You don't know it?
What about this one? Next one. Say it loud. Ha ha ha. You're weak. Oh well.
Okay, I'm sending this to Santa Claus.